Hi, this is Gabriela. In this video tutorial, we will explore the teacher practice area. To have access to this area, you should enroll by completing some information, and then a confirmation of your enrollment will be sent to your email address. So I recommend you to watch this video tutorial about the teacher practice area. Once you have the confirmation of your enrollment, you will have access to the TPA. So we are going to start exploring the resources available in the teacher practice area. Click on this and you will be in the teacher practice area. So there you have different tags or topics. So I'm going to choose topic 6, which has my name. And the first thing you have to do is to click on the green button, which is the Turn Editing On. So now you are ready to add the resources to your course. By clicking on this, you will find a fantastic list of activities to engage your students, which we'll explore in the next video tutorial. So now scroll down and concentrate on the resources. So the resources enable teachers to add the content to your course. And by clicking on the different resources, you will find a description of them and how to use them. By clicking on book, you will be able to add lengthy passages of information. I'm going to show you. Click on add. Write the name of the book, Blended Learning. If you want, you can write a short description of the book. This book will offer you an overview of blended learning. So then you can decide to display the description on the course page. Tick it off this square. You can change the appearance. You can decide the format of your chapters by numbers, by bullets, by indentation. I'm going to choose numbers. The style of navigation, I'm going to choose text. You can also set the common module by showing it on the course or by adding from your students and adding the ID number. You can restrict the access to it by adding, wait a minute, I'm going to move the screen, okay, by adding restrictions by day, grade, group, etc. And you can also add the activity completion. You can decide how you want to track the completion of the activity, okay, by choosing one of these 3 possibilities. And you can also add the deadline of this activity. And you can also add a tag. I'm going to add blended learning to access to it quickly, okay? So save it and return to the course. So here you have the book and the description. You can also add a file, a simple file, by clicking on it, click on add, write the name, teacher roles in blended learning, short description if you want, and then add the file. Upload it. I am going to upload it from my system. Select the file. There it is. It is a PDF file, and upload it. Okay. Here it is. As in a book, you can change the appearance of your file. You can decide to display it automatically embedded in a new window in pop-up. I click on automatically. You can decide if you want to show or don't the size, the type, and the modify date. I don't want to show it. Okay. You can restrict the access, of course, and when the activity will be completed. Okay. Once you're ready, save and return to the course. And there you have the file. You can also add a folder. In case you have a series of files related to one topic, you can click on folder and add a zipped folder in order to reduce the scrolling on the course page. You can also add a gallery of images, a web page. It can be a text, an audio, sound, etc. You can decide how to present the content by clicking on posted, and you can also add a link. Click on add. I'm going to show you. Write a name, teacher roles in blended learning, and paste the link. Save and return. Okay, there it is. You have the book about blended learning. You have a PDF file about the teacher roles in blended learning, and there is also a link about it. Oops, I click on the link. Sorry, well, here it is. So you can notice that the label of this topic is my name. So I want to change it by clicking on Edit Settings, and I'm going to change the label by blended learning. I want to change the size of this. Here I'm going to put it in bold, and I want to change the color. Okay, and there it is. So if you want to arrange the resources in order, by clicking on Edit and click on Move Right, you can move it. Okay, so let me click on this, move it right. Okay, so you can notice that it's very simple to add resources to your course. So I think that it's all, and thanks for watching me, and see you around.